King JB, little vlog this morning. Just chilling in Florida as usual. You know how we do it. For the first time ever outside of Indiana, I'm actually gonna meet a fan / supporter from the Kingdom. I actually became a friend, Mike Fats. Just chilling. We're at the America's Best Value Inn, chilling in Clearwater right now. Getting ready to push on forward to Cape Coral in the next couple of days. The adventure is almost over. Almost over. But anyway, for everybody in the Kingdom, just want y'all to know, the MMA Kingdom, I will be back full throttle on Monday. Everything that I do, I'll be back doing full time. But obviously, hotels is a little difficult to swing all that. But anyways, I'm going to stay in touch with y'all. A lot of big things coming, including handicapping with this gambling I'm going to be doing with y'all. A lot of big things coming up, man. So just stay tuned. You know how time goes. Do a little vlog going into UFC 143, possibly with Mike Fats later. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to holler at y'all. We out.